My name is Michelle, and today we're going to read Mr. Cat's Whiskers, written by Dr. Michelle Neumann and illustrated by Kay Forster. Mr. Cat had beautiful long whiskers. Every morning he would straighten his whiskers with his paws until they were perfect. Straightening Mr. Cat's whiskers. One day Mr. Cat was invited to a birthday party. There's the invitation. It says, "Dear Mr. Whiskers, please come to my birthday party today. From your friend, Mr. Frog." Mr. Cat knew he had to look his best, and that meant his whiskers had to be perfectly straight. But for some reason, his whiskers did not want to be straightened. Mr. Cat decided to use a hairdryer. Oh no, the hairdryer was too hot. All of Mr. Cat's whiskers fell out. Mr. Cat looked at himself in the mirror. He was so shocked that he fainted. There he is. Mr. Spider lived in the corner of Mr. Cat's ceiling. He saw what had happened to Mr. Cat. He slowly lowered himself onto Mr. Cat's ear. "Wake up, Mr. Cat," whispered Mr. Spider. "I have a wonderful idea." Mr. Spider carefully climbed onto Mr. Cat's face and straightened his legs. There he is there, can you see him? At the birthday party, everybody thought Mr. Cat looked perfect. And Mr. Spider thought so too. Can you see Mr. Spider there on Mr. Cat's face? And that's the end of the story. Bye-bye.